Hey guys, so we are making, what are we making? We're making French toast sticks. Yeah. And this is a recipe that I found on Alexa, or Alexa actually showed it to me in our kitchen. And so I saved the recipe, but yeah, and we have matching aprons on. You can't really see mine, but yeah, we're matching. We have matching aprons on. But this is a recipe I found on Alexa, but the recipe calls for heavy cream. And as we know, that's not necessarily always very health conscious. But I mean, it's really not that bad, just depending on how much you're consuming. But, and then also what the recipe calls for. So, but I'm still substituting it with almond milk versus the heavy cream. And so we're going to go ahead and just make these. And these are really great. And I'm also using some golden wheat bread. It's artisan bread versus like Texas bread, because I wanted something to have the same type of a thick quality, but I wanted wheat. So this is the golden wheat bread. Yeah, you want to put it in? So we're going to go ahead and put these in, and then go ahead and lay them on the baking tray and pop them in the oven.
I did it.
Good job. Okay, I got to get the spray.
Yeah, the spray.
Yeah, so this is something that, do we need the spray here? Yeah, I'll pick it up. But this is something you can do with the kids if you have the patience for it. Definitely highly recommend. Wait, let me get the spray. Okay. Definitely highly recommend you make sure you do a self-audit first before you try to attempt this with littles, because if you're not in the right mental frame, this is not going to be a great experience for you. Just wholeheartedly putting that out there, because a lot of moms will try to always put themselves last for the sake of the kids, because they're trying to create that special experience for them. But if you are not feeling great, then you're not going to be able to create any type of experience for them. The kids are just going to, yeah, go ahead. The kids are just going to remember how stressed out and frustrated you were. And that is something that I had to learn, or that I learned with my first two set of kids, with my boys, because I struggle with postpartum depression and anxiety a lot. And I didn't really understand what was going on with me at that point, but through some, time and journaling and really learning how to reconnect and rediscover myself in this new position as a mom, I was able to really start figuring out some things that brought me joy that I can do and still feel like myself. And even when I felt completely depleted, go ahead. Oh, make a mess. But even when in my moments where I did feel really, really completed, and I'd start to get in my head and blame the kids. Yeah, go ahead. Blame the kids, my husband, and all the things, and get into that very self-sabotaging mode. Yeah, we got a lot more. Yeah. I was able to figure out and learn different coping mechanisms to help me really process through what was going on. And properly make sure I can get myself out of that. Yeah, go ahead. And it's definitely a journey. It is nowhere near a quick fix. But definitely is very, very helpful once you learn some of those things and natural ways to help you cope and grow and develop. Because that was one big thing, is I did not want to get put on medications and become reliant on it to where if I just chose to stop taking meds, I was going to end up relapsing and going back into the depression and the anxiety and not really know how to cope without taking meds. And I did not want that.
I got two, Mama. Two in there. They're both in there.
Okay, cool. Thank you. We got to make some more of our custard, huh?
Yep.
Yeah. So, okay, okay.
Mama?
Yeah. We got, wait. Okay, so we got one tray. Oh, we could probably put that one here. Yeah.
No more?
Yeah. No more, but that's okay. So no more right now. We'll make some more when we got another tray going. Okay.
Can you do me another?
All right.
Mommy, please give me another.
Yeah, we're going to get another tray pretty soon.
Mommy, please did another ornament. Did all of these?
Yeah, okay.
I did the ornament.
Nope, yep, in just a second, okay? Let me wash my hands and I got to put this tray over there. But yeah, this recipe is super simple. If you made like French toast yourself, basically the same type of a concept, except you cut them up in these little sticks.
With the knife.
And then you dip them and then you bake them. Yeah. Now, I love doing this is because number one, it's I can control what type of food and there's no preservatives and stuff, obviously, aside from what's in the bread. But like I can control what ingredients are in this, and I can bulk make these fairly quickly, and it's really nice and easy and quick for all the kids to eat, and it's fun and entertaining for her. Right? You like making it? Yeah, she's my little baker homie. Yeah.
Grandma make it for me.
Yeah, Grandma make it for you?
Yeah.
Yeah, say thank you, Grandma.
Thank you, Grandma.
All right, so we are gonna wash our hands. We gotta get some more baking sheets.
I want my hand already.
Okay, but look, my hands are dirty, so I'm gonna wash my hands. Her hands are clean.
Yeah, my hands are clean.
Her hands are clean, but we're gonna finish making some more of these. I'm gonna wash my hands, man.
No, don't.
Bossy. Y'all got a bossy toddler? Like, just heck a bossy.
No.
Okay. All right.
Touching me.
Can I get a hug?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Goofy girl.
Mommy.
All right. I'm going to wash my hands. So I'm going to wash my hands, and she's going to make some more custard.
Yeah.
And then we're going to get ready to make the second batch.
And I made all of these.
Yeah, we're going to make all of those.
Myself.
By yourself. Let me think about that. Okay? All right. Thumbs up? Okay, now that we've got everything all in the tray, I'm gonna pop these in the oven at 375, and I already have a batch that's like in there, but I pop it in the oven for 20 minutes on one side, and then while those are in the oven, me and Lily are going to go get cleaning, because one of my big pet peeves that kind of stresses me out, but also is just pretty annoying and overwhelming after you're finished cooking and stuff, especially when you have kids and you get kind of tired, is having to deal with all the cleanup after all the messes. So I like to make sure that we clean as we go, because there's nothing better to do, obviously, while you're waiting for something that's cooking in the oven. So this is just something that my dad had mentioned to me when I was cooking as a kid, and it just always stuck and made so much sense. So I'm making sure that I'm teaching my daughter to do the same, and that way she understands that, you know, we make food and we make a mess, but it's also important that we keep things clean. Now, she is only 3, and she helps with as much as she can, and thankfully she's not afraid, just like me, to climb on some counters, because we have short girl problems, but it works out, and she's always such a big helper and likes to have fun with me sometimes. Thank God today was a good day. But all right, now that the timer is up, we're going to go ahead and get these out the oven, and it's time to flip them. And now this first batch on this baking sheet, I totally forgot to spray. And so it was hell trying to get these from scraping. So make sure you spray your baking sheets. That's like cooking 101, total rookie mistake on my part. But hey, it happens on occasion when you're just busy. But after some scraping, I was able to get those off on that baking sheet. And this one, I totally remember to scrape. And look at that. Totally quick, easy, super easy and convenient to flip. Like the last few, I was able to just use my hands. Like there was no point. It was just so much easier. So yeah, grease your pans and all of that. And so now while I put it in those back in the oven for another 10 minutes just to brown on the other side, I'm finishing cleaning up as those are finishing up in the oven. And by this time, Lily was over it and was ready for her show. Which was fine by me because I honestly prefer to clean alone. Just this is one of my ways to find some peace, and I can get things organized and everything just how I like it without the distraction. And now that these are all finished, time to get them on a plate and get to going to make Lily some breakfast. Breakfast.
What?
Come on.
I don't want to.
Yeah, French sticks. French toast. Yeah. Okay, as you guys can see, she's enjoying her breakfast and we had fun making them. And these you can freeze in the freezer for up to 2 to 3 months. Just throw them in a Ziploc bag and then throw them in the freezer after they've cooled down and all that jazz. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I posted the recipe in the description box, and make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. Bye!